Hi everyone, Anita Fanita here. How is everybody? I was about to say happy Friday when I realized it's not. So happy Thursday. Okay, so this is I Love Etsy episode 3. I'm gonna do this every day, hopefully. Well, I'm gonna try. So what I do is I'm gonna show items that have been listed, items that have been sold, for those of you that are new here. And okay, let me see what we had yesterday. Okay, so I have them written down because I can't remember anything. My memory's not that good. So here we go. Okay, so from there was a lot of items that sold from yesterday's listings, and then also a lot that were previously listed. So I'm going to show you, let's see, heart ring and earrings, and let's see, I think I have the wrong paper. Hang on, guys, I have the wrong paper. Okay, I have the right one now. I'm sorry. Well, these things happen. Okay, so what sold was, and as you guys know, all my items that I put in for a week are 20% off for the first week. So you're gonna get these at the 25% off rates. Okay, so this coral necklace was sold. I love this necklace. Okay, so with the discount, it ended up being $20 that this sold for. Okay, next we have these two here. Okay, it's a native ring, the one that I posted yesterday, and this one here, the Swarovski Crystal Elements pendant, and it was purchased by the same buyer, so she did get a discount on shipping, and let's see what it came out to. For both of them, came out to $32, and that's including the 20% off. Next, we have this one here that I had listed for a while, but look how cute this is. Okay, so this one is a topaz pink pendant, very pretty. I really like how this one is. I don't know if you saw it when I posted it. Look how pretty it is on the side and the back. So this was purchased by the same buyer along with this one. Look how cute this cat is. And you do get combined shipping when you do multiple items. Okay, and then we have the Swarovski earrings. Where did they go? Hang on, guys. They're here somewhere. Okay, wait a second. I will find you. Here we go. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, next one is the Swarovski earrings. Very cute, and these are signed by the swan with the swan in the back. It's very cute. And these with the discount were $6. Very cute. And then we have the Mexico heart pendant over here. This one was listed yesterday, and this one total was $20. And then we have the Pandora necklace here. This one was listed a few weeks ago. And this one is the leather cord braided Pandora necklace. So this one went for $16 with the discount. And this one here also sold. Remember the lyric necklace with the matching earring? And this one had diamonds inside, 2 diamonds in here and 2 in the earrings. Well, 2 each in each earring. So this one, along with the discount, sold for $96. Okay. And give me a second. And I have decided to add 2 Etsy stores, link to Etsy store links to the bottom in the description. It really does help when you go favorite the store or favorite any of the items. That really helps. And please send me if you have an Etsy store, please send me your links. Please email them to me, because every day that I do this, I'm going to add another link to an Etsy store that people can go look at. So please send me your links, and please go support each other's shops. Please go put the little likes on the stores or the items that you like, and favorite the stores. That really does help. It really does a lot. Okay, So we're going to go to the next page. Okay, so this buyer got 4 items. And let's see what they were. Okay, lapis dangles. Okay, they are over here. Okay, these lapis dangle earrings. These are very cute. Here we go. And these were $20. And then also a native leaf pendant here. And this one was $18. I still don't know what the stone is inside. Oh, oh, no, don't get tangled. Wait, guys, I have to be very careful with this. We can't break it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is the pendant. And then vintage faux pearl necklace. These are really interesting. There aren't very many of these left out there. And look how nice these are. Okay, and then the turquoise dyed shell necklace over here, which I do have a bracelet with it that I'm going to include. This one here is the necklace, and I have a matching, not perfect and exact color, but I do have a bracelet here. It's a stretchy that does match it. It still has the little tag for where the price was, and I'm going to include this as well. So this one, the total was $45. Okay, and then we also have one here that was 4 items purchased by the same buyer. One of them is this one here. It's Roman pendant and earring set. I think this is a cat's eye. I'm not sure. It may be. And it does come with the matching earrings that are in here. And we have the marcasite silver earrings here. And then we have gemstone earrings. And this one was for $20. And then the enamel, I really like this one. Really nice enamel, red kind of fiery color cross was purchased for $25. And that makes all 4 items. Total was $52. And I added everything up from all the purchase, I added all the purchases together, and it came out to $324, which I'm really, really happy for. Again, I want to thank everybody who made purchases. I want to thank everybody who favorited the store. I am going to add 2 links below today. One of them is going to be for Thrifty Treasures, who's Tanya. She has an Etsy store as well. I'm going to put hers down there, and I'm going to also put Lucia Lee's link down there as well. She has a lot of wonderful items in her store as well. She does sterling too. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the items that I have listed. And that's on a totally different page. So give me a second. Okay. And I'm going to tell you how much I have them listed for, and that's not including the 20% off. So first we have these St. John earrings. I've never seen one like this with a little pouch and everything and a little card inside. Okay, so these are new and they are clip-ons. These ones I'm going to list for $15. Okay. So the next one is a 925 scorpion necklace. Ooh. This is really fun. This one here. This is a scorpion. It can be used as a zodiac pendant. It's very interesting and unique. And everything that's sterling has been tested and is testing positive for sterling. So I do test all my jewelry, even if they're marked, I test them. So this one is going to be for $20. I don't know if I said it. Okay. So the next one we have is number 3, RCI necklace. Okay. So this one here is a pendant with kind of like the Pandora beads, but these are not Pandora. These are from another company called RCI 925, which are pretty pricey too. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads, and the center one is a flip-flop, and the chain is also by RCI. So this one I listed for, let's see, $50. Okay. And it is very heavy. So the next one is square bracelet. Okay. This is very fun. It's a square bracelet, again 925. It's stamped by, there's some letters here. It does have a designer stamp on here, but I'm not sure who that is. And it is a hinged one. And it's not small, so it does have room here. This is very interesting. And I put this one for 45 because it's pretty heavy. And now I'm trying to take it off. Give me a second. Okay. There we go. Okay, the next one is, okay, 925 Victorian ring. I'm just calling it a Victorian ring because it has that look. It's very nice. And it is stamped inside. I'm not sure what the mark is. It kind of looks like the Chanel sign. And it is also marked 925 and it is tested. This is a size 9.5 and I've listed this for $12. Next we have Ralph Lauren earrings. I didn't know Ralph Lauren made sterling silver until a few weeks ago when I got the Ralph Lauren bracelet. So these have cubic zirconias in them in here. And they are by Ralph Lauren and they are sterling silver. And I listed these for $15. Okay, next we have, okay, this one here. Okay, we have a cup bracelet here. There's a Bible verse on it. And this also is sterling, and I'm going to tell you what it says. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. Proverbs 3:6. And I remember somebody messaging me and asking me for this bracelet, so here it is. This one I listed for $20. Okay, and then we have, we have two brooches here by Christopher Radko, and these are holiday ones. One is a snowman and one is a Christmas tree. They're both marked. This one over here has a little bit, you know, where it was bent up a little bit over here. Here, but you know, there's nothing wrong with it, but this one is in excellent condition. So both of these I put for, where'd it go here, 18. Oh, and look at how cute this is. This is the next one. It's a camel trinket box. It's enameled, so cute. And here the back opens up. And it has a little magnet inside. You can put cute little stud earrings in there. Some small jewelry will fit in there. I think this is really cute, so I added this too. And this is I put this for $10. Okay, I want to thank everybody again who went and favorited my store, who made purchases. Don't feel obligated to make any purchases, but please go ahead and like some of the items or like the store. That really does help. And somebody's baby's crying here. Sorry about that. I hope you guys had fun. If you have any suggestions, put it in the comments. If there's anything you want me to put up tomorrow, please put that in the comments as well. And don't forget to email me with your links to your stores. Thank you for watching. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye.